Hello and welcome to this video about the top online businesses that make money. With the increasing demand for online services, the internet has become a hub for making money. There are many online businesses that can generate passive income, and with the right approach, anyone can start earning money online. In this video, we will discuss some of the top online businesses that make money, and give you tips on how to get started. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular online business model that has gained momentum in recent years. It involves selling products to customers without holding any inventory. The process works by purchasing products from a supplier and having them shipped directly to the customer. The seller doesn't have to keep any inventory or handle any shipping. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to conduct thorough research on products, suppliers, and marketing. The key is to find a profitable niche, identify reliable suppliers, and create a compelling marketing strategy. Platforms like Oberlo and Spocket can help you manage your dropshipping business. Virtual event planning. Virtual event planning has become a popular way to make money online. With the rise of remote work and online events, virtual event planning services have become essential. Virtual event planners help organize and manage events online, from webinars and workshops to large conferences. To succeed in virtual event planning, you need to have excellent communication and organizational skills. You also need to be familiar with various online tools and platforms, including Zoom, Google Meet, and other virtual event software. Building a strong network and offering high-quality services can help you grow your business. Social media management. Social media management is another popular online business that can generate passive income. Many businesses and individuals need help managing their social media accounts, and they are willing to pay for it. Social media managers help create and curate content, respond to comments and messages, and manage advertising campaigns. To succeed in social media management, you need to have a strong understanding of various social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You also need to be able to create high-quality content and have excellent communication and marketing skills. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you manage your social media accounts. Blogging. Blogging has been a popular way to make money online for many years. While it's not as easy as it used to be, it's still possible to generate passive income through blogging. Bloggers can make money through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and product sales. To succeed in blogging, you need to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. You also need to be able to promote your blog effectively through social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger can help you set up and manage your blog. Digital marketing services. Digital marketing services have become essential for businesses of all sizes. Digital marketers help businesses create and implement effective marketing strategies, including SEO, PPC advertising, social media advertising, email marketing, and content marketing. To succeed in digital marketing, you need to have a strong understanding of various marketing strategies and tools. You also need to be able to analyze data and identify opportunities for growth. Building a strong reputation and providing high-quality services can help you grow your business. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many online businesses that make money. Whether you decide to start a dropshipping business, become a virtual event planner, offer social media management services, start blogging, or offer digital marketing services, the key to success is to choose a business model that aligns with your skills and interests. With hard work, dedication, and the right strategies, anyone can start earning money online.